Onenra che say. CJ said no na me na parliament too.
Sawo.
Na me na parliament da ja. So Naja, me who say mo boy adwuma na say oh wow. Na you see ginam o na pon saka kabo. Then ye na ohene na CJ na say then CJ yi anti CJ
me be say no so ho na say phone no man no.
Na one family me no. Hey ohene pon sa. Hey, ba o de nya hwe me san ko. So say ya mental besra wo. Ti
MPs no say
me ba twa nya MPs asem na make wadaroma. A press code that's the make.
Okay. I'm for some message for inside our best now.
What's not go? What that why back of our hobby could be to be could be also a more firm my report.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, see them come and you may see our hobby and Yenina Hundia Kwakusi. Now, we say, oh, shadow Bokrat anymore. They say, no, dear, Kedaya, and we speaker, some cheap. Ayura Alexander Fenyo Markin. Ya what say omo betrega na oma record parliament enra ginaya speaker esiye na waka say oma to parliament apono mu e wo bia nko constituency wo bia nko de fie no wo say ne ya na omo she process na say isan say wo say parliament enye speaker parliament no enye speaker the parliament no won nko and the speaker eyem odwuma enti dia koso na no achisu no wo che say speaker no agitum say supreme court ruling na wo mo de buy your must stay ono ni ruling na wo de etumu last week no and na such speaker de be yedwuma wo de anwan sa anwan ya wo kaso close parliament no indefinitely ti no wo muguso etoto niema na ono ni susuo no hunu say asset speaker any NDC epeso mino omo collapse o mino ese o mani sika sem se economy no enti no mo edi sadwuma no na so bodom kese no enhwe ema no masa enti MPP fam wo mo ekandifo na wodi ensemi atudwa na edanche so a CJ the Ghanaian publisher na me dia hyase ama no na oba ne fa etoso enan a unim se anisodi hu na oman no ewo eyese ensakraye ebeba enoma ebesesa na enoma besese na de ba ko aga na ye kra ko bi man so ya ewo eso wonfa so pa ekonanim eye koko na se bibi beba ya eno na dwuma ebeye ne sika ede bebo manimu no ebechen koko dia na ya sempapa ede ntina meka na sa ye free bibi green gold agenda. Okay. Sa agenda we and say ebeboa ama oman na fibia no sika oman no ebenya sa export ne ade no be say $5 billion na ye coin na ye be fa so nya no you assume tie President General Owokoa Research and Manufacturing Limited so no one na ye president Edema Gavtram omo no ye Ghana Federation of Traditional Medicine Practitioners inti aba no oman yi momo ye bibidro ya ye no ne ade no omo de fa kwan paso no omo no mo wo eko e fa no Gavtram mu na panyin na ye president o say omo wani sode hu no eye agenda no ni sa green gold no inti omo be hwe say abibidro na ye wo man yi mu no ye be ye ne yes ne nya ye factories ne ade a ebe ye amana meet international standard na ye meet international standard no a yete Ghana ha ye betumi akra ye bibidro no ade akọ obi man so wasade ba akọ ma bibidro dan so ne say nanu ya adro bi obi chem sa menkoto me check side effect no bebre untume home na we be ye na we be ye adro bi abenu bia no ya check side effect hansa enken ka say ya brofudro a emfa ho ne sade adro ne tie check side effect nte no onum wie na wunya sansunsanso na seje wunim na wunim se ya bibidro we say no eno side effect bi anim esensa ye habaima ene de na emiti international standard no na che say oman ni betumi akra e de akọ e de faso ene beba eno ehun komo ena daily guide ebomu amane sanso ena the Ghanaian publisher wono so dia ba wo mo eka ho asem na ode nsebo nyina tudwa ebra na African Traditional Medicine day no ekoso we de toso adunum yenu a wo mo edie sanso ena Traditional Medicine Week celebration so no we de toso adunum over the weekend e wo Osu Presby asafonim ena wo mo edi sa enkobo no enti na de wo hono no eni sodi hu no eso vision no eso waso sha amaman bi no ho no ma wo mo so no abibidro ya eno mo de pija adu mo ekọ mani no
uko China herbal medicine edi akotene papa China
enya hon kwa wo hwe baby ti say India Singapore Malaysia mu nyina eya bibiduro na ban se na ye de ye wo bibiduro ye kama bibiduro atumi sayarewa abibiduro atumi na ne fibroid kra da ye ma broni be ka cho se age surgery na ye ntumi mane meet international standard aman so for so be ba be kra ye de bi e de akose de ti he ya ye kra enuro free honom no ya dobu abekwa akotore bibiduro ye wo China ana India na Malaysia
capsules ne edi tutie ne bebre
ye akokra dia ba eti no nyoma ni sodi hu agaftam e hwe se wo mo be pagem na enuro na wo eye no amiti international standard ne je se de ye wo ha se no bebre no ano emiti international standard enti want to be fan free Ghana ha enko ba bi ti say US enko ti say UK importamo ba bia enko ton so atese eno na gaftram eyo mani sodi hu na wo mo hwe se mo ebe ye ho adwuma ye tamachi pa yera yera mo professor Duncan wo mo enhwe ne sa emaye na sije so bedi mu nkobon ho ate ene na omo bedi hu dwuma ama wo ho eno akire me family delegate enra boafo kwadwa asante so huma baton pesua so na Cynthia Mamle Morrison ono eye mrahye bejani ewo Agona West baton pesua no so na CJ usanra omo wie parliament nkita hodie ya na yehunu se pictures bi ni nam social media ya leader ewo MPP from mrahye bejafie Alexander Fenyoma Kenny Cynthia Mamle Morrison enfoni na no achi so no yewra Canada kompre kwa Japan chese wo mo atwitwa mfoni ni ade ye kote omsio omo mienu nyina omatwe asan ewo content crawl yo mo so mo kono ni nyina ne nkomo a ya ka fitina wo twetwa mu no na dayete ye hu pictures bi microphone post ba bia na nenam na se ye se nyampa osije omo se nyampa mame Mamle Morrison enra ekosi senso kasa anwumre no waso on de enye no kre na ni leader en na di nkobo ni adom twitwa pictures no en na no achi so ehu se yera kwadwa asante suhum MP ono so den enkrata bi ababonte se de yetete ne nye no kre yate ye de ye wo ha se free sabre ya kozi se December 7 de beso abakwa kwoto aba ne ye hwe se bia ya mpa se modi nkobo na wie na mo twen se bia agreement amonyina mo de kwel mo sabe kan sa na mo abaje tum se matwen san ye wo ha se mo ntwen san so na muguso aso content kro na eno so no ye wo ha ye twen eho amane da bokata ye daily guide ye ya wo dia ba eno no de wen bi Ghana forces so no ameka se si je nkraman ya omode ba ye no no ye military dogs a omo no mo hwehwea ahu no hwehwea de omo ko ye chamber ho mo ko hwehwea nkonya hu nyina ne ade ba bi speaker betina omo hwehwea ya ekowi achi no mo koye se anopapa na anopatututu na ye koduru ye no na ye NDC omo chief whip no na o kire se ye aban no na di military aba hodmo a kire se san de sie ebra na parliament omo ebe hyase no ya military koye kobobo omo ni ade no mo kire se omo sai aban na epeso san repeat biem se ne na kire se ye speaker na nkasa eno kire se positive asoja fo no emfa nkraman no enko enko screen ho nko ye bibia enko supi ho
speaker mpese ne esi no ebesan so esi bio
but when the speaker nkasa na di soldiers ne ba you baba akuru de omo chesa ban na ba soldiers ne ko ho enti eno na ye difference no enti we no
na speaker we so speaker na dream no na osusu say am sure na members no MPs no ama basabasa UBC
na akoye crampo
abro clerks no eso ne marshals no mo ho no eso
ebi so don say bi obi di bibia be hye ho bibi onti for security reasons no nta no pana no patututu na omo ba ye omo wa around and omo de nkrama ne ko omo kwa hwehwe ho no e na pu ha sigi omo koye nti kai ni police for ne fire for ene na ewo ho no mo aja ye nyina atwentwen ya edi dwumadie no ehyehyɛ so nti sa ene koye ewo parliament Ghana Armed Forces eden krataba abe clarify ese nyaban na esoma wom ekoho na bebia efiri no enti daily guide abokrata eno so emu amane ebinie me share the custodian afi asemo CJ mama nko bani me na me hwe ensem foforo bi na mo chese yira Bernard Mona so na high court abona asem na to atwene seje so wa hunu adimu ko bia Bernard Mona PS amanyoko no Frank Atuni na ya disqualify no na wo se wo hwe eye ensema na omo eka se ya foje for signatures ni omo di ni hwan eno mo chese ni se sa de bi sususuye no ene se ba no forge no mo ne for signature no eye criminal offense intasem bisa na bi nsu bisa sa nyebia no easy obecha obebo mo sa charge no anasa se no mu ja manaka na konkon ho se ya Republic Press na ebo amane no speaker de na madimu ko bebre no eno aso e wo ha pepepe yen hwe okay, CJ. Ti da boka ta no de ensem no de aba no an mabobo bobi so ama no. Why? Akoye parliament, MPP parliament, MPP bia.
Abna menko ahoma no so ekrata no na mene Professor Samuel Ato Duncan mene no entwetwe enkomo no ehu hia me papa green gold agenda ya pa ho entoma prof atema kan pacho mo ache Adom FM doing
yo mejodo
but apomba kwa the prof
na me na Adom na won so je
mo huye papa prof mo huye papa anapa ye fro a boko mansem bisa odikan yeah sometimes mpempi adwene kakra de Ghana ha yen traditional medicine me kire yen abibiduren abana abakọ so attention awada wodzima them industry ana sector owofum kakra ebianja prof
yo de me fa kwenye bi na minchi a wetiefo na nkanka gatram members nyina wana woye bibidu organ nyina de minchi yonkoma wan yo za me pere makan de to America successive government akadaba one wayama and from kuma time araba nyina no was a traditional medicine do baby I'm sure the why 25 years ago now we Ghana Federation of Traditional Medicine Practitioners Association. It's not that abandon recognize a bibidruno.
Yes.
And you know abandon areas are about to my but to me no only enough will be a young so young pressing abandon the obey here the abandon that menu about the industry. Since about 70% of the population are taking traditional medicine. So those are not sure that buying alcohol yes, and this is where we are driving that agenda.
Okay, so what new is happening in the traditional medicine sector? Eben sache no wa bem anti obi be say why ya condomenti we hear the aban obeboa obebem no aboa prof.
So there and then I say a friend and the green gold. There's a green gold agenda yesterday. Launch that was last Friday. Now the green gold agenda no onion such yesterday the industry or the federation.
Okay.
No ababwa oman Ghana. Official habana we try Asia yehwa won na yesika. There are potential in every plant you see. So anyes bana or ye do. Ente oninya za ode yeda yenwani ehwe. Now, so issue the global marketer. About 80% of the population all over the world use traditional medicine. Then it means it has a huge market. From now to 2029, global market is about almost $178 billion. Yes, that's the global market that we have. And it's a Ghana, you 3% from this $177 billion here. It will be about $8 billion to Ghana.
Yes.
So this is how we have to set targets. What we can do to get there. So let's handle the potential in plants. We already for magazines that may who's all many man and some above want to me above do to me a baby do to me. About Zintina, yes for research, yes from Brasso, now yes standardizing Bruno, not only to the international market. Not by another gold mine for Mother Ghana. Because Ghana here another commodity to sell so that we can bring a lot of foreign exchange. That's the only way to save the economy. We cannot increase taxes to save the economy. We need something to sell outside to bring money into the country. It will bring down the you see, when you bring in more income and foreign exchange, value so. So this is the way to go. So this is where we should target the traditional medicine industry, harness the potential that is there, and use the potential as a next gold mine for Mother Ghana.
But bro,
revenue, yes.
Yeah, but Kasa
yes. So I think the revenue generation project. It's all there. Ghana is a new abado. Government is a to my. So my kind calculations you have no idea what we can able to in your room. Now, from now to 2050, World Organization estimated that the market will be about $4.5 trillion. That is in herbal medicine, traditional medicine. If Ghana gets even 5%, target 5% of this, you will get about $250 billion out of that. So this is just one area that we should order in alcohol. Now concentrate and see what we can do. But this is the time we must fight to save Ghana.
Yes.
So what we have brought is it's just to complement the effort of the government of Ghana. Yeah, just to complement the effort of the government of Ghana to bring back the economy. That is all.
Okay, but
we need.
My final question, baby, how prepared is the space, the industry, GovTram, for this big transformation? Maybe because most of the time, some of the products, traditional medicine, in most cases, omit certain standards. So once you set a target for yourself, I believe you need to be working towards that target by way of in your packaging and making sure that your herbal medicine or product meet certain standards. Prof, are you ready?
Oh, yes. My brother.
Yes, sir.
Oh, the Green Gold agenda is all about standards. Because if you target the global market, without standards, we can never get there. So we are talking about yes, in Zama, always be Bruma. Yeah, the true research. They improve them in Zamano. They are our mono. Now you are standardizing. We have the FDA. FDA is an WHO then standard that was on my FDA. No, a do you have registered? We have your Okabana or Botum YJ. We have the structures. So you can see as industry. And that we are subjecting whatever we have to proper scientific analysis and standards. So that we get to where we want to get to. But without that, we can never realize this dream. Yes, without that we cannot realize this dream. And that is why government policy, it should be a policy direction. Yes, when it's a policy direction, it makes it easier.
Okay.
Yes, okay. It makes it easier. Because government now is making sure that in Dubia, why today cocoa?
Yes.
Cocoa. So about to cocoa. But about making sure though, cocoa bia wasn't baby standard order you need.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it is there were industry about to access the improve Benin and we meet the standard about no other corners from the Chinyaba.
Okay.
It is possible.
It is possible.
But individuals cannot realize this. It is not possible unless the government stamps on it that I am going to use this as part of my policy.
Prof, my enda was na wadarama enyabira nche ba studio na yetra form na be don share na fa don feel be na ye twetwe Green Gold agenda na hon komo papa extensively
yes, my member cry mabande meba the ochana the measure on your tower you go to na
Mate, Prof. Me that's papa. That's Professor Samuel Ato Duncan, President General of Core Research and Manufacturing Limited, and the President of Ghana Federation of Traditional Medicine Practitioners Association, GAFTRAM. And yeneno atwetwe en komono ma mingyina homane soa na mene Honorable Patricia Apieje oye Deputy Majority leader meneno entwetwe enkomo leader otime kan mo ache Adom FM suni
yo emoso na mo hote say
nyame adom ye ho ye papa enura nanka ye hwe animu se anapa no ade ehunu ne ekoso no ba bia NDC MPC no kotena ye maintenance so ntimuduru chamber ho no leader say oni nsemtofo be kasa kakra na mafiri ho but adentina man trase na ye nyina ye ntie ne speaker e de ba betu Ghana fo anim mame
yo Adam was say say answer leader the first press conference okachira the speaker can to speak about ye ko concrete ba ye ko dwendwene ho kwan ya ye ni the speaker G2 must say state of execution na ye apply the Supreme Court as serve no with notice chere se ibia wakadi na onko ho na ebom yentu sadia nie matie no yemfa ento sadia se the compare say Supreme Court for ebe interpret mrano nobody the right directives aba intini na no na chere se e was for na ya catch almost among who view of parliament was so mobile. And this will be a beholden the so a minority and a majority. Said it's to say what parliament what that and one and international. Or did two must say yes, I went with that notice. But on also was statement all the flow. Now what share the day anymore. Na ninyi na muno ma indications say obeta say niebe koso na aye bebre politics inti inkita hudie bi beba na entiase bi beba ansane yatwaso inti ono de o adwene bi say the parliament no ye suspend senate ansana yakoyeni but okaya ne so obeye sa statement no the na a woman say fa and was so atna because it's a parliament Supreme Court has several with that notice now was so now here there I was so be a cotton the dabre it's a issue speaker say parliament assistant share there and there clerk there. And our no answer on Kaiser or my clerk directives to be I say, oh, move Adom Kuma Emra Adom Cassia Nani Nifa. Na Adom Cassia no Encotanani Benku on Candy Diasa. Clark and Susan say on Yan she shade Diasa. Until Obasha or Madna de Wamope Aquatanaho. Until Yen Montreal near ye because say you caught the accord ma na ye for contempt because I dare to say of executive to me and to study not here and turn a speaker statement on Thursday. Adom Kuma say Omanya kwatena ho de omatena ho because omunti statement be apart from statement that Mr. Speaker yeah wada enti ombeto omo ho ase asesa position na say what the statement be enti what be statement be say na asesa no omo so omo so enko baby was so omo ko so omunti sa so yes ye nimra se And to say you're quiet, that will be found contentious. Oh, and yen to me cotton water. So almost on better than her. Yes, they force because you won't be I am.
Yeah. To see honorable say speaker a lawyer for say woman file application and set aside Supreme Court orders no I will share the more. I mean, because if that happens then it be honorable
as a mention or anything that the bear DNA is to me apostle. Na yet to me, I a Juma said, because it's a bet to me as sister Brahad said Supreme Court, bear your almost and camp. No, I'm doing really not, but no. Yes, I'm over. I one more MP. Our your honorable or that court the. And so I was so respected Supreme Court and it's on to me and cassette the visa or no abe or no ade nepe ebe it's the Supreme Court the Asian minister almost so do almost share now at the lawyer for no so can almost I take quickly now you're to me your name more count and I'm seeing him how long I did take into also definitely maybe
okay all right honorable my end was say bro I didn't in the coming days we be best answer no akasabio. Yeah, that's it. Honorable Patricia Apieje, a member of parliament for Asokwa constituency and the deputy majority leader, and then Atwetwe and Komono.